Since today's the last day to prep the car before it goes up north to drive a couple events and hang out up there, we're basically going over and trying to fix all the little weird alignment stuff that was going on with it yesterday. In addition to, as you guys saw, me adding the final stars to the livery. Anthony was here last night and finished up the other side. I added all the splitters back on, and right now we are playing with caster. It's very important to note that with the GK Tech lower control arms, you have to remove these washers and then adjust caster, because you don't want to adjust it with these in because it can cause them to bind because it's a one-piece lower control arm. So what you do is remove them, adjust it, and then add the correct amount on each side so that it is just kind of nice where it needs to be. In an effort to remove some of the over-centering feeling, we took one shim out where the tie rod goes to the knuckle, as it was kind of like doing weird stuff when it was mounted low, and I think that was adding the crazy amount of Ackerman that it had. And then on top of that, we're taking away a little bit of caster because we were told that that could have also been another reason why the car was feeling kind of weird. So what that means, basically the wheel's just moving a little bit back on the wheel well, so it might self-steer a little bit less. But I'm more concerned in just getting it to feel like nice and fluid throughout the steering range. Been super focused, just trying to get the R32 together, so I'm kind of slacking on filming. But I figure I might as well document that we went on a Smoothie Run in the neon, very colorful star car, as the children outside of the smoothie place called it. Now I know this looks like cool to probably a very select demographic of people that understand like Japanese style and like old school drift stuff, but to the average person I just feel like I'm getting judged as something that they would consider a laughing stock. Not that I really care that much, but I definitely like, I don't know, you kind of get what I'm saying? All the like moms and everything just looking in the car at us.
Yeah, it's real extra.
I just kind of wish that like these red tints were really dark so I could hide from the people and like they couldn't see me looking at them frowning at me, you know? It's okay though. We've got AC, so the judgment doesn't matter. I swear the fuel pumps got louder. So remember how I mentioned that the fuel pump sounded a little loud? Well, they were a little loud because the surge tank was basically empty, and we ran out of gas at a stoplight and had to push it off the side of the road. As a side note though, it does look great at this angle, you know? Sometimes you gotta break down and be on the side of the road to really be able to appreciate your car. Looks great. Don't know what's going on, but Nicole's luckily right down the road, so she's gonna bring some tools, and unfortunately we broke down right in front of hundreds of people playing football that were probably laughing at us, so chances are one of you guys that are watching was playing football, and that's what happened. Nicole to the rescue! Look at my car. I was really looking forward to blaming Alberto on this one, but unfortunately the wire that runs to the fuel pump is old JDM wiring. We did find the issue thanks to this trusty little power probe. Tommy, you wanna show them the issue? There's two wires here. They need to be connected. They weren't connected. I think when Alberto was putting all the chunk stuff back together, it must have just gotten knocked loose or something. So for anyway, right now I'm just gonna twist them together so we can get back home since we're not that far. Then when I get back home, I'll do like a nice proper connection. Take that. Also, quick mention before I forget, the new long sleeve shirts and the new tees are now available on our site, lzmfg.com. We actually finally made Nicole's 240 on a lanyard too. It's been like a year coming now. I haven't heard the end of that one. But anyway, if you like what we do and want to support the builds, it's always greatly appreciated if you guys want to order a shirt or whatever we have on there. Link is in the description, just lzmfg.com. Soon enough, it will be giant on the side of my car. Rob's first ride in the Skyline.
First ride in the Skyline and first vlog. Here we go.
Windows down or up?
Let's go down. I have a coffee and I'm vlogging. It's my first reaction video.
Zach's in the back.
Yeah, Zach's in the back with his knees in his chest.
I got a coffee there. You ready, Rob?
Yeah. Oh my god. What? I did not expect that.
Yeah, just a little four-door.
I didn't know this thing was capable. What? Look at the windows.
It's so funny, with 3 people in it, it looks so much better.
Oh my gosh, dude.
That was pretty wild.
Yeah. I have underestimated cars. Jeez.
Oh my word.
I thought the stickers were crazy. That's crazy.
I missed your jokes, bro.
Oh my god. What was that? That was the freaking roller coaster. Jeez.
Why'd you enjoy it?
I haven't even been in the 240 yet.
Really?
No. I've never ridden in the 240. Jeez.
Rob, stop pointing that thing at me.
Come on, Zach. What's up, guys?
That was neat.
That was insane. I expected something, but that was something. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. What? Jeez. Oh, I see why you do this. That's like,
It's a fun car.
it's a fun car. Oh my gosh. I didn't, wow. I didn't understand. Wow. I didn't realize
This is a fun car.
the capacity of these vehicles. Oh my gosh.
Alright, we're good.
Okay.
That's crazy.
Whoa.
You don't need to film anymore.
Okay. Signing out.
I didn't think you'd have that kind of reaction.
I didn't realize like what these things do.
We had a bit of a trailer predicament where we got blocked in. Tommy thinks he's gonna be able to get it out. I don't know, it's pretty tight. Look at that, perfect jackknife right there. The only tricky part is hoping that it doesn't swing and hit that tree. Look at that. Yo, dude, you got this. Dang. That's what you get for blocking us in, brother. Take that. Not today, Junior. This was what I was talking about earlier. Since the pop-up front end isn't done yet, we decided to just go with the Sill 80 since that is kind of like the historic beginning of Gabby. Let's get my sec. I can't remember how much detail I went into about this, but as you guys can see, the R32 is loaded up in the trailer and is about to set sail up towards Connecticut. So one of the reasons we have been working so hard on the car and trying to get it together so quickly, usually during the summer in Florida, I'll go take a trip up north and go hang out there. But I've been so busy they haven't really gotten around to doing that yet. So we're gonna go up for a couple days, drive an event or two, spend some time with my dad, and what better to take up there than the R32 that's basically a rad, drifty, powerful street car. So very excited to put this thing to good use up there. So I think I'm gonna close out the video here. But you guys can definitely look forward to some rad Connecticut content probably in the next 2 or 3 days. Might be actually going to a car show there. That would be a cool meetup, but I need to confirm that the location can handle enough people before I go publicize it and stuff. So anyway, looking forward to it. Hope you guys are too. I love seeing all you guys up in Connecticut, so see you tomorrow.